an effort, they became an example in front of the whole Brahmin family, not only in front of the Brahmin family, but in front of the whole world. So, how they could do such an effort where God is being contented, satisfied, seeing all dadis who became worthy. So the effort of 14 years of tapasya, Dadi used to say that on one fundamental point, Baba made us to sit again and again, again and again, made us to practice and made us to be so natural that one point is to be a point of light out of body, which is the final, the method to connect to Baba and to make Baba as mine. And this is a point where I can realize the depth of karma philosophy, because the whole drama is nothing but it is a field of action where we are playing our roles. So if this is understood, then naturally it is easy for us to do what Baba wants. Because when Sakar Baba was there, Baba was telling that children, you practice in such a way, you be conscious of your own identity in such a way where even in thought or in emotion level or in drishti, you should not be influenced the prabhav, because the root cause of impurity is prabhav. If you are influenced, definitely there is a desire. Without desire, there will not be any influence. This is being told later in Avyakt Murulis also. In this meeting, last meeting in Madhuban, the whole of the August and later also, it was announced that this will be the month of purity. And all the purity Murulis of 50 years of Avyakt Muruli, about 42 Murulis Baba has revealed only on the subject of purity. Definitely we should revise those things, and what Baba said today, everything, the answer is only that foundation point, that is purity, to be out of body, out of the influence of our own body conscious, means the sanskaras. Because the main sanskara of the soul is to come and sit again and again in the body. Even though we don't want, we want to be with Baba. We want to be, definitely, we all love to be out of body, out of all the influences, but still the afikalpa, the sanskara of coming in the body, without knowing, we come and sit in the body. So Baba used to give, yes, yesterday I shared that such a long period of 2 years, where Baba was again and again saying that you should be in the deity body and, think that you are Vishnu Chaturbhuj. Then you think that the intense practice what Baba every day, made them to do. The Baba used to say, Dadi said that we used to go on the roof and sit for long, long hours and practice, churn, then come and tell to Baba, give the chart. All these things, we did it so we could do something. So at least we have to, I was telling Dadi after hearing so much, at least you give us 14 days where we can practice that intense practices in our lives so that we can become to experience those, the spiritual experiences going out of body, stabilizing mind, intellect, still and stable in that point that I am light being, I am the energy. What are those feelings when we are doing even the action, seeing, hearing, speaking, eating, walking? These are all the actions. But in that, can I be outside? And one more request I want to really request you is from 69 to 76, you should revise all the Murulis. Because the initial Murulis, Baba has said very deeply about soul conscious and about our avyakta stage and the hurdles, obstacles which comes in our way, and 75 Murali is very, very strong about, the type of the mistakes what Brahmins do. Till the murder, Brahmin commit a mistake. Reading that Murali, I was so shocked where what Brahmin can do such a ways. Baba says from your Sato Pradhan stage, from your eternal, the reality, that stage, when you come down to body conscious, you are murdering the divine intellect, what I have bestowed to you. Means gala gotna, Deviya Buddhi ki gala gotna. And the sin is so much where as one kills somebody, the same type of sin is being counted in your accounts. You have to read that morally. Definitely. Where so many things he has told about, Brahmin and their karma and the results of karma. Because when Baba was there, Dadi's night when there was a kacheri, Baba used to tell so many things about it. So where, they became so natural with soul consciousness, in very close to Dadi for such a long period, many years with her, I could see that whatever Baba was telling today, 3-4 things, however they are, whatever they are, but only, good wishes and blessing them, which made souls to change from within. Our, the good wishes definitely give such an energy where the powerless becomes powerful. They get that courage to change. So from today onwards, definitely, we all have to have a promise that Baba, from today onwards, inside you have to, each one of us, willingly, that we have to do. But just having a determined thought, you can't do that. For that, the tapasya is needed. I have to overcome all my deep-rooted the one main sanskara which comes in 1,000 forms, and put a fire to it. For that, I was telling you that at least 14 days, whenever you want, and 14 hours, whenever the chance you get, personally make a plan. Make a plan in such a way that this should happen practically. Practically practice that, so that where even in dream I should not make a mistake. Why I say this? Because one example of yajna I want to keep in front of you. When we come to Baba, when we come to center, we are responsible to serve the humanity, serve the souls. But our karma philosophy becomes different from others. That is, there was one sister in Yajna where, she used to do service, but just superficially, then pass the time, eating, speaking, going here and there, inside only, just pass the time, not interested to do yoga, and even hearing Murli and not bother to churn the Murli or to, inculcate the Murli. It was her routine. One day, the messenger came to Baba and she told Baba, Shiv Baba says that so and so is going to leave body after 10 days. But Shiv Baba wants that child, that as she is in the canopy of Baba, she took sustenance of God, but she has not returned what she has taken the sustenance. So, before leaving body, Shiv Baba doesn't want that soul, the child, to take this burden of sustenance of God just like that. Do something that she should finish this burden, give back the return, then leave the body. Brahma Baba, hearing that, he said, you go and tell to Mama. Hearing that, Mama came to Baba, Baba, how can I tell that soul that you are leaving your body after 10 days? Baba said, it is an order of Almighty. Mama, you have to say her. You have to tell her. Okay. Kuch karo. The word Baba said that you do something that she should be. And Mama called that sister. Very lovingly she praised. She told about her specialities, and then slowly she said, see, this is what the message of Baba. You are going to leave your body in 10 days, and you know what you have, stored in yourself. What all, among the 4 subjects, practically how you are. Very lovely. As Mama said, she started crying. Mama said that not to cry, but she said, Mama, within these 10 days, day and night, give me a program. Whatever you say, I will do. Yajna Seva and finish this. I will not, because Baba, having so much love on me, mercy on me, he has given the program, means definitely I will do it. Mama said that it is not that day and night, 24 hours you can't do. Take some rest. So from morning 4 o'clock till night 11 o'clock, Mama gave duties continuously. In the middle, 5 minutes, she said that take rest and do. And she did the 10th day, the whole of her body was swollen. When the time came, she couldn't take the breath. The other sisters ran to Baba and said, Baba, this is what is happening to the sister. Baba came along with Baba, Mama, then all the seniors, Dadis, Didi, Prakashmani Dadi and some others. Seeing her, Baba couldn't see, Brahma Baba, and so much difficulty to leave body. She couldn't, she's, trying hard to take breath, but so difficult. And Baba said to messenger, please go and tell Shiv Baba why child is not able to leave the body. So when she went and came back, she said, Baba is telling, in these 10 days, she has just given the sustenance, the return back only so much, but nothing is in the stock, no energy in the stock, so that she could leave body peacefully. Tell the mother and the father and the children to give such a way the sakash, the power to current to the child, so that she should live peacefully. So they did such a way where gradually the soul left. Then Baba, Mama and all others, Baba called all the children and said that, see children, you should know that the sustenance of God is like eating a diamond and digesting the diamond. Diamond, just people eat, they die. But you are a children where you have to digest this. Daily Baba is sustaining from Amrit Vela till the night, teaching us, sustaining us. All the things Baba is looking after, all our safety. We are in the canopy of Baba. But one thing we should ask, Baba said that you all should ask that what are you doing for Baba? How much you are completely obedient and what he wants, are you in that stage? Do you return so much so that you are benefiting other souls so much, giving so much to others, so that you can store the powers, the values, and the good karma, so that you can be a king, or to become a ordinary subject also you need little. What are you doing? Baba said that, and Dadi used to tell us that Baba was still more, Mama giving the class detailedly about the karma philosophy, that is a different chapter. But Dadi said that even in Laukik, the sustenance of the mother, father, they say that you cannot keep. You have to return them. If you take, then it is a burden on the soul. See, when Laukik, mother, father, just giving a body, so much is being told even in scriptures. Then what about God, who is really, making us totally away from all the sorrows, bondages, and what type of intellect we had and what was our life? We all know that. And Baba has given us so much, but whole day, see, God did not give a day with 10 hours, but 24 hours He has given. And what are we doing? One thing to return the sustenance, another thing to erase my old sanskaras, and the main thing is as a return, not only the inculcations and to be obedient child, but also to, I am there, this life, this birth is being given by Baba. You should read the 78 Murli. Baba said, your age, lifespan in Kali Yuga is finished. I have given the extra life, extra time, and made you to sit in this body just for the world service, to be a world benefactor, not for your sake, for your personally. Without my permission, you can't even see others. That is, as I say, to see a soul and to give blessing, to give power, to support, to cooperate, you can see. You know, each sense organ, the 5 senses, he has given a clear direction. Without my permission, you can't do. So these are the things where we have to be little serious, otherwise we will be in the minus. You know, life is, karma kshetra, this field of action is nothing but a mathematics, plus, minus, and division, multiplication of karma. So when we understand this, then it is easy. So the intense tapasya, we shall start where what Baba wants is desire that I should not be a problem to Baba. We are not problem to anybody, but it is a problem to Baba and his task. I think you all remember the 2017 afterwards, Baba didn't come. That last Murali, he said that you make this year as an end. And one thing he told again and again, it rings in my mind. Children, why the world service, the glorification is not happening? The revelation of Baba in front of the world, it is not happening. Nobody are obstacles, only my children. Because you are not changing. As you are postponing your final change to give a final shape to your stage, you are, see the karma philosophy, the word Baba used. He said you are extending the suffering of crores of souls and their sorrows, and the whole burden will be on you. It is such a serious point to think that we have to and we must change finally and plan. Because whatever happens now, one thing you keep. Maya also heard all our promises. She will say that I will challenge you, let me see how you will bless others. How you will be no problem. See, we are problem to ourselves, but I should not. Dadi used to say, Sakar Baba used to tell, it says, बच्चे बाप के आगे कभी समस्या नहीं बनना, समाधान स्वरूप रहना. Means you don't, samasya, being a problem means because of me and my behavior, my words, the way of my life. Others should not think there I will be a problem. Like, Baba used to say, Sakar Baba, seeing you, I should not think about you. I should be so nischint, without worry, that my child, he or she, wherever I send, they will be 100% okay and obedient. That way you have to keep your father and the mother, Mama, Baba. So Dadi used to say that you all should be in such a way that Dadi shouldn't think about you. Oh, she or he is like this. I don't know tomorrow this child how Maya will eat away or what. You know, some familiarity sanskara, some something, some something. You know, they worry. And above, Baba is sitting now, Dadis have gone. Baba worries, Baba thinks. Worry is not like us, but he has to pay an attention. Na. I took extra seva from Baba. Na. Again and again, mood out, mood off. Again and again, this way, that way, with old sanskaras. Baba has to see. At least his attention goes, why I should take extra seva of Baba. So let us totally, put an end for my own problem. That is my sanskara. Which is problem to others. I will not see anybody, but I will put an end for my old sanskaras. And I will be the obedient child, honest child, and sweetest child of Baba. This is what should be your commitment. Saying so. This is what, night I thought it is already time, I can't share. These things, we have to think being a center vasis, our karma philosophy is separate. Thank you. Om Shanti.